The tech industry was once marketed as an easy path to a high-paying career. For a long time, people believed that a degree or boot camp certificate was all you needed. Today, the reality is much harder. We are seeing an experience paradox. This means that even for entry-level roles, companies now expect candidates to already be experts before they get their first job. The biggest problem is that junior roles often require years of experience. Historically, a junior role was a place to learn. Now, many job posts for beginners ask for 3 to 5 years of professional work. This is made worse by tech stack creep. Job descriptions now ask for a long list of skills, such as multiple coding frameworks, cloud tools like Kubernetes, and complex back-end systems. It is almost impossible for a beginner to know all of this. Often, the actual job is much simpler than the description. The long list of requirements is just a way for companies to filter out applicants. The hiring process has become a long and exhausting test. Candidates must pass HR calls, technical interviews, and take-home projects that can take 20 hours to finish. Many small companies copy these difficult tests from giant tech firms like Google or Meta. Even after finishing these tasks, many candidates never hear back. This ghosting happens even for jobs that pay low salaries or require you to work in an office every day. Why is this happening? First, the market is full of people looking for work. When a company gets 1,000 applications, they use automated filters to reject anyone without 5 years of experience, even if that requirement is not realistic. Second, many job posts are written by recruiters who do not understand the technical details. They simply list every tool used by the company, creating a wish list that no beginner can meet. This system hurts the mental health of new developers. Many talented people blame themselves when they cannot find a job. They call it imposter syndrome, but the real problem is a broken hiring system. A true junior developer should have a mentor and should not be expected to lead big projects alone. If a company wants senior-level work for junior-level pay, they are mislabeling the role. If you are looking for a job right now, keep these points in mind. Keep learning. Focus on learning one set of tools deeply rather than trying to learn everything poorly. Check the company. Avoid employers who do not offer mentorship. If you are left alone to solve big problems, you are not being taught, you are being neglected. Prepare methodically. Interviewing is a specific skill. Use structured tools like AlgoMonster. It was made by engineers from top tech companies to help you learn interview patterns and practice real simulations. The tech industry needs new developers to grow. Understanding that the current system is flawed can help you stay confident while you search for the right role.